Alright, so here's just another little video. I found a Ford Mondeo VIN number that has this little icon for the rear seat, or for all the seat belts on it. So I just used its as-built data to just load the whole speedometer on it, because I haven't figured out what block actually enables just the seat belt itself. But of course, this one here is the as-built data I use is for a right-hand drive, so everything's backwards on it. So it shows the drive side, mine's a left-hand drive, but it shows the drive side's buckled in, but that's for the right-hand drive. So if I were to plug my seat belt in right now, you see a green light there. Unbuckle, turns off. I'm going to unbuckle the passenger seat belt. It went off. I'll buckle in the passenger seat belt. It turns on. Now, I got the back seat. Let's see if I can reach it from here. Alright, so I'm going to unbuckle the driver's rear seat belt. Alright. That's because it's not out all the way. I'm going to assume I'm still testing this out. See, bear with me, I'm trying to go at it blind. And you see it sees it. So I'll unbuckle it again. Seatbelt warning, that's because one of your little kid is not buckled in. So let me grab the other seatbelt and I can show you that the other side actually works. Alright, so I got the passenger seatbelt just buckled in. Don't know how well you can see that, but passenger seat is buckled in. Let me zoom out for you. Passenger seat's buckled in, which also shows driver's side because it's for left-hand drive. You got this passenger rear seat belt buckled in. That is correct. Then, let me zoom you out again. You got the driver's rear seat buckled in. So that's how I know it sees that's buckled in. Now I'll go ahead and, if I can get a hold of my seat belt, go ahead and buckle mine in. And that changed it all. Now I don't know if the middle one will actually detect if it's buckled in or not. I have yet to find that out, but if anybody knows, you can let me know in the comments on it. But that's just another little update I'd give you on it.